parking, payment
Yeah.
parking. Okay?
Yeah.
No free parking. Then you told I leave and come back. What time? How many hours there?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, still I don't know.
You finish? Just text me. Me finish.
Ah,
Before
not
finish.
allowed the, what's this?
No parking.
No
Not allowed.
parking.
No. Parking allowed, but fees.
Ah, okay.
Payment parking that one.
Nice, huh? Nice that building. My head, my side of my head is too much pain. What happened?
You want massage?
Yeah, I need it.
Yeah. Why? Because you know
Oh.
who need a massage? Man.
No, not man.
Especially your driver massage.
No, crazy.
Yes. Then relieve your pain, everything else.
No need, crazy is laughing. No need that one, okay?
You scared at that driver?
I'm scared.
Yes. Why you scared?
Medical care. Ah, this one. So I'm going there. I will off the, what's this? I will off the video. Not allowed. Okay, here is not allowed. Yeah, Hamad Medical City. Yeah, this one. I will go to the entrance. This one, medical care research. Yeah, this one. Yeah, medical care research. Where that one? Okay na? So I will go because not allowed. What's this? Not allowed the video here. Okay?
Thank you.
Slank him. Yeah, this one. Where we going, Bal? Patient and visitor parkings. Oh, there is.
Where?
That one.
Yeah, that's parking, but
There is payment.
yes, everywhere here payment. Go inside, must one pay. You know.
Really?
Yes, baby.
Yeah, this one is the entrance.
Yes, baby.
Yay! So, ipaabot natin doon sa entrance. Okay?
Okay, bye bye. See you.
Yeah. So bye bye. Kita-kits na lang mamaya sa isang video. Bye.
We go.